People ask which antiperspirant is the best. Rexona Clinical 3X, but it is expensive, they say. Rexona Clinical 3X, 96-hour protection. From a stink person, this stuff really works. Even when you have a shower, your armpits feel like the desert. So let's have a look at this product. 96 hours of less stink. It comes in this handy applicator. The product comes out of the small holes. You wind a knob at the base. Here are some that have run out. When you get to the end, no more comes out. For an expensive product, you then need a new one. It works very well, but runs out quickly. Let us break these empty ones open. Just grab the top and forcibly bend it. Sometimes it is easier to take the cap off. You won't get sweaty palms doing this. We open it up to see liquid gold. See the amount that has not been used. So much is wasted inside the applicator. There is almost as much inside as the amount that was used. You wind the lower knob and no more comes out. See, all of this would have gone to make landfills stop sweating. Sure, you can no longer use the stick to apply it to your armpits, but let us see how much we can collect. The cream is stuck in the dispenser holes. It sticks into the winding hole. It is squished around the central pole. You can see it is down the sides of that middle pole. Most of the item is still in the dispenser. We collect it into this blue box. The cream is a bit messy to collect. The dispenser has squirted this cream everywhere. We pick it out of all the holes. You can collect it from the top or underneath. We scrape it off the main pole. I will show you later a dried up one. So this is how much came out of one empty stick. Here is one that was opened and left exposed. The moisture has evaporated. The white cream is now dried and hard. It is a bit crumbly. You can easily poke the dried cream out. The dried cream drops through to the lid. It looks like a coarse powder. Let's add that to our collection. You can see that the dried version is easier to harvest. It feels like soap. Just look how much is in this one that stopped dispensing. Quite a lot. So we have a mix of powder and the cream. We add some water and have a box of 3X Clinical antiperspirant. Thanks for watching.